Hello and welcome back, guys. Let me just check before we start. Mic check. Recording is on. This is check. Screen sharing is on. So basically, in this video, I we're actually going to do the trade. Sorry, not trade recap. The daily review. It's just going to be finished in the 1 minute only because there is nothing. Just a second. I'm just pausing this because yeah. So now, oh, jeez, not this. Not this has. What the fuck? I haven't even opened it. So today is my mom's birthday. अरे यार क्या चल रहा है यार उद्देश तेरा? What the fuck is going on? Today is my mom's birthday and today we're going out. So we really have like a 1 minute in my like so 1 hour to do the trading study. But tomorrow I will be able. Tomorrow I will be able to recall every single thing. So yeah, so 2 days from 2 days I haven't done the daily review. So let's do the daily review, my dear brother and sisters. So also I have updated the trading plan as sorry schedule as well. Where we can start? Where we can start? This is today. Oh my God, the battery is 33. Today is 4, so we are officially have finished this. So what we can give the output for this? It's tick mark. The 2024 bootcamp will get finished on 3 May, which already got 100 million challenge will finish on May. No, start on May. Will start getting back the break even at May. Correct. So this is also correct. This is also correct. This is also correct. Okay. Before we do anything, let me just reduce this. Let me check this. Is yeah perfect. So hmm. So I started doing the $100 million challenge from lecture one yesterday. Is that from yesterday? Oh, fuck what? Oh, that's it. So yesterday I did. I think like I have started day before yesterday. Maybe I'm waking up at 5 o'clock, so I feel like I'm leaving a lot. So okay, so let's do this. Let's do this. So div, then table table no, no, database inline. Then it is going to be this. It's going to be daily review. Here we go. Table sort with the schedule. All right, so 15, 16. Here we go on 16th, and it is going to be yesterday's daily review. 3 May. So task name was lecture 1 and then lecture 2 of $100 to $1 million challenge. It's basically how I done it. Lecture 1 is completely finished. Lecture 2 is halfway done. And today we were going to finish, but today also we're going to go out. I will try my best to do it. If I'm going to work on the previous task, so today's task is going to get pending. Like this is bullshit. I hate this when this happens, but it is what we can't do anything. Why? Gone out with my mom for her cloth shopping. Solution is do this task to with tomorrow's. Have I done it? No. That's it. I mean that's the only is it. So that's it, brother. That's the daily review. Have I done the previous day task? Yes or no? If no, then why and how we can improve this? If no, then why and how we can improve this? Do this task with tomorrow. That's it. That's basically is it. Lecture 2 is going to get started right now. Let's do it. This is what the daily review looks like of 2 days. So we were haven't done the of holy shit. April 30. Man, there is so much witness. 1 2 3. Oh no, this is wrong database. Okay, no problem. Instead we type it. So yesterday and day before yesterday. Yes. Yesterday and day before yesterday. That means 2 and 3 May. We haven't done the daily review, and this is what the daily review of 2nd and 3rd May, which is we have planned. We have halfway done. We still haven't finished yet because we have gone out to them because of got to buy the mom's clothes. Mom was going alone, but her birthday shopping was going to get carried. Today is her birthday, and if she go alone, I just don't feel good. So I'm like, hold on, I will come. I will come. After coming home, we got the guest and we need to address them. That's took whole day, like whole night. So that's how it goes. Signing off. This is a daily review. Peace. But I believe we'll be able to recover all of this pending things tomorrow. Let's do this, man. This camera is so fucking small. Shit.